The Clapperboard from YouTube finally arrived as being a YouTube partner. When you're in a YouTube partner program, you can sign up for perks. So I'm going to open up the Clapperboard and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. We're going to open this together. Did you really think I was going to show you my personal information? No, I wasn't. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. I actually just cut off the tape. So let's just see. This is the box. By the way, YouTube, great job on the presentation. This kind of reminds me of what Apple does when you buy an Apple product. Keep in mind, YouTube sent me this for free as part of being in the YouTube Partner Program. So let's just open it up right here. Here's the box. Let's take a look. Here it is. Partner perks. I don't know if anybody was able to sign up and actually get this Clapperboard from YouTube, but hopefully it's cool. And what else did they send me? Don't know what this is. Something to do with instructions on how to use it, but we don't need that because we are professional people. Here it goes. It's when it's going to come in. This is not actually the board, by the way. By the way, if you're still watching, thank you so much. All right, so here it is. Check this out. That is so cool. I'm so glad I received this. This is actually plastic. Let's see if I can get this out of here. There we go. Look at that, guys. That's a wrap. Sam 610 style. Isn't that cool? I think I'm going to display this in my videos. I don't know if I'm actually going to write my channel name on there, the video, the take, or the date, but this is so wild. This is cool. It's actually got some weight to it. This is magnetic, by the way. I could just play with this all day long, kind of like those fidgets that you get from Five Below. This is so cool. Not going to lie, this is awesome. And of course, it's going to come with a dry erase marker, if I can actually get this out. Yep, there we go. Dry erase marker that says YouTube on it. That is so cool, YouTube. I really like this. Is there anything to wipe it off with? I don't think that there is. I guess I got to use my hands to wipe it off. Well, anyway, this is the Clapperboard that YouTube had sent me. I'm still actually waiting for the 20th anniversary t-shirt from YouTube, but when that comes in, I will actually make a video about that as well. I will catch you in the next one.